How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Catching Cars. My name is Isaiah, and this right here is the key to our test vehicle today. Thanks to Mazda, we have this 2021 Mazda MX-5 or Mazda Miata as a test vehicle today. This is the RF version. Of course, we're going to go ahead and take this out on the Autobahn, see how it goes, and then I'm going to come back and tell you guys what I think. But let me tell you now, really love this car. So before we get going, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the Autobahn. We are on the Autobahn now with the 2021 Mazda MX-5 RF. We're going to go ahead and launch it, and then of course I'm going to tell you guys what I think. So my impressions on the Mazda MX-5, or Mazda Miata as it's also known. Let me just start off by saying that this is the most fun vehicle I have driven this year. This thing is so insane. I just got this thing today and I went straight ahead and drove it. I didn't think I was going to like it as much as I do. I recently had the Audi TT as well, which is kind of comparable to this. I mean, the Audi TT is a bit more expensive, but I guess they're kind of comparable for what kind of vehicle they are. And I didn't think I was going to like this more than the Audi TT, but I actually do. It's not as fast in a straight line, especially because we have a 6-speed manual. The Audi TT had that great 7-speed DSG, you know, but this 6-speed manual is such a joy. I've never shifted or never had a manual transmission that felt better than this one. This is insane. The only negative I do have would be with the manual transmission, of course, you have the gear lever, and you can, you know, if you shift it aggressively, you can twist this, you know, the knob here, which is of course unfortunate, but that's just a really minor negative about this vehicle. And that lane keeping assist noise is very annoying. I was kind of scared there for what that was, but either way, this is the best vehicle I've driven this year. Not the fastest in a straight line, but it doesn't feel slow. With its right around 180 horsepower, it does not feel slow. As I said, on paper it may look underpowered. You can get a standard Mustang GT, you know, with 450 horsepower nowadays for almost the same price, maybe a bit more expensive than this. And this doesn't even have 200 horsepower, but you can rev it up. It feels quick enough to have some fun, and such a joy, such a joy. You definitely have to drive one of these. And it does lean in corners a bit more than I expected. Also, the steering is a bit lighter than I expected. But due to it leaning in corners, it's not super planted. It just adds to the excitement. And you can also have the rear end step out there if you turn traction control off and you provoke it a bit. Such a joy. So we're gonna go ahead and end the video there. Make sure you check out one of these MX-5s. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.